Hello friends, let's take a look at how do we answer the second question, question number 2. These are questions that appeared in your class 10 math exams that you all have taken a few short weeks ago. Let's take a look at what the question is and how do we answer the question. So the question goes like this. For what value of k, looks like k is an unknown, for what value of k will this, comma this, and this are consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Consecutive terms. So what is an arithmetic progression? We know that if the first term is a for arithmetic progression and if common difference is d, then each subsequent term after the first term we get by adding the common difference, right? So this is the definition of what is a arithmetic progression. So some examples, say 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., etc. Or how about 10, 20, 30, 40. These are some examples of arithmetic progression. And we know that each subsequent number after the first term, we obtain that by adding the common difference to the first term, right, or to the previous term. So here the common difference is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, so on and so forth. And here the common difference is 10. Alright, let's get back to the question. So for what value of k, these are consecutive terms of a AP. So now what we can say is that, say for example, if I have consecutive terms, and it does not matter what term it is, let's write 3 consecutive terms. Let's say an, right, then an plus 1 and an plus 2. So if these are 3 consecutive terms of arithmetic progression, then what we can say is, if we write an plus 1 minus an plus 1 minus an, so this is going to be equal to the common difference, right, which is going to be the same as an plus 2 minus an plus 1, right? So obviously this means the nth term, this is n plus 1th term, and this is n plus 2th term. So the point is, if I take this minus this will be giving me the common difference, right? So if I take this term and subtract this term from this, I'll get common difference. Similarly, if I take this term and subtract this term from it, which is an plus 2 minus an plus 1, again I'm going to get the common difference. So I can simply equate this and see what is the value of k. So let's do one thing. Let's clean this up, give ourselves more space. So what we want to do is we want to say this term, let's write it here, 2k minus 1. This is this term minus the first term, which is k plus 9. So this actually should be equal to common difference, which is going to be the same as this term, which is 2k plus 7 minus this term, right, 2k minus 1. Now let's find out what do we get here. So we have, let's get all the brackets out. So 2k minus 1 minus k minus 9 equal to, we will get 2k plus 7 minus 2k plus 1. Or in other words, we get, so 2k minus k, we are left with k, minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10, will be equal to plus 2k minus 2k cancels out, we have 7 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 8. Or from here we get k is equal to, so this minus 10 will go on the other side of the equal sign, will become plus 10. So we have 8 here, so it will be 8 plus 10, which is going to be 18. That means for k equal to 18, these k plus 9, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 7 will be the consecutive terms of arithmetic progression. And you can very simply cross-check this. Simply put k equals 18 over here. You will get, actually if you want, you can just quickly cross-check your answer. So this term, so let us just say this is nth term, it will be 18 plus 9, which is going to be 27. Then the next term, n plus 1 term, is given as 2k minus 2k minus 1. So 2 times 18 minus 1. So this is 36 minus 1, 35. And then the last term is, so here at this point you can check, so what is the common difference? So 35 minus 27 is actually going to be equal to 8, right? So let's check this. So 35 plus 8 will be 43. So let's see if this is actually 43. So 2 times 18 plus 7. So it is 36 plus 7. So we have 36 plus 7, which is indeed equal to 43. So we see that indeed these are terms, these are consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. So we have obviously put a lot of stuff over here. Now in your exam, if you have to get this question, the way how you're going to neatly write this is going to be as follows. So you are going to first say, in an AP the difference between any two consecutive terms is equal to common difference. We know that. So it is given that these terms k plus 9, 2k minus 1, 2k plus 7 are consecutive terms, and if that is the case, then 2k minus 1 minus k plus 9 equals common difference, which is equals this, and if you solve it you are going to get k equal to 18. So the value of k is equal to 18. This is the answer of your second question.